Hello, viewers. Welcome to Lua English Dictionary. Today we are learning about prepositions of time.
Good. Hello, viewers, and welcome. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you haven't supported us, please consider being a member. Join our channel so that you can be able to just help us make the videos better. So today we talk about prepositions of time. The first one is I go to school in the morning, and you will say adhi ga e sikul, adhi ga e sikul gokinyi.
Gokini?
Okinyi, Okinyi, Okinyi. You can say
I need
Okinyi.
to put my volume up.
Okinyi, Nyi. Adi, not Ati. Adi.
Uh-huh.
Adiga school, Okinyi. That is Okinye. Yes. Say that.
Adhiga e sikul okini.
Good. The second one, we play outside in the afternoon. Watugo ga oko. Watugo ga oko. Sa aboro. Say that.
Watugoga okosa aboro.
Sa is double A. Sa aboro. Watugo ga oko sa aboro.
Watugoga okosa aboro.
Good. Now she sleeps in the evening. Onindo ga godiambo.
You said onindoga.
Onindo ga godiambo. Onindo ga godiambo.
Yeah.
That is gotiambo. That is not godiambo. Yes. Can you say that?
Onindoga godiamo.
Godiambo.
Godiambo.
Say that again.
Godiambo.
The entire sentence.
Onindoga godiambo.
Yes. He was born in July. Ne onyuole due mar abirio.
Repeat that.
Ne onyuole due. That's okay. No. That's okay. The way it was. That's okay. Ne onyuole due mar abirio. Yes. Say that.
Me onyole due mar abirio.
No, say that again. That was wrong.
Ne onyole due mar abirio.
Can you say that again? Onyuole. Just say it
Ne
slowly.
onyole due mar abirio.
Ne onyuole
Ne onyole
due mar abirio.
due mar abirio.
All right, my birthday is in 2010. Chieng nyuolna.
Repeat that.
Chieng ng chieng nyuolna. Chieng nyuolna. It has auto changed it. Chieng nyuolna. Nyuolna.
Like that.
Like this.
Oh.
Chieng nyuolna en higa mar. Now just write 2010 there. 2010. Chieng nyuolna en higa mar 2010.
Chieng nyuolna en higa mar Chieng nyuolna.
Uh-huh.
Chieng nyuolna en higa mar 2010.
All right. I go to church on Sunday. Adhi ga lemo.
Repeat that.
Adhi ga lemo. Adhi ga lemo. Jumapil. Adhi ga lemo Jumapil. Say that.
Adhi ga lemo Jumapil.
Yes. We eat cake on my birthday. Wachamo ga cake. Wachamoga cake chieng' nyuolna.
Repeat that.
Wachamoga cake chieng' nyuolna. Chieng' ng- 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 chieng' nyuolna. Wachamoga cake chieng' nyuolna. Say that.
Wachamo ga cake chieng nyolna.
No, and of course, cake is not Luo, so I've just simplified it so that we just
Okay.
move on with that. But I'll look for the name of cake and then we'll do that. School starts on Monday. Sikul chako chieng wuok tich.
Hold on. He said sikul.
Sikul chako chieng wuok tich. Chieng chieng.
I always forget the apostrophe.
Yes. Sikul chako chieng wuok tich. Say that.
Sikul chako chieng wok teach.
Yes. The party is on December 1st. The party is called what? The party is called Nyasi. Nyasi. Nyasi en Tarik Achiel. Tarik. T-A. Tarik. Nyasi en Tarik Achiel. Dwe mar. Dwe mar apar gi ariyo. What do you think is happening on that? How can you what do you know about that?
I
Nyasi,
know.
uh-huh.
I know. Pargiario means December.
Yeah, it means 12, right? So the 12th month is December. And
Mhm.
that's why we say Apargiaria. The way we say
Mhm.
the months is we just look at the day, the ordinal position of the month. Like if it's the first month, we say Duemara Chiel, then Duemara Rio, then Duemara Dek, all the way to Duemara Apargario.
Mhm.
Yeah. I watch cartoons on Saturday. No, let me say, let's change that to TV, okay?
Mhm.
Aneno ga wang liech. Aneno ga wang liech.
Mm.
Chieng ngeso. Yes. Aneno ga wang liech chieng ngeso. Can you say that?
Aneno gawang liech chieng nyeso. Nyeso.
Mm-mm.
Nye.
Ngeso. Ngeso.
Ngeso.
Ngeso.
Geso.
Ngeso.
Geso.
Not geso. Ngeso.
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 Yes, ngeso. Can you say
Nges.
the entire thing?
Aneno gawang liech chieng ngeso.
Yes. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Achiew ga sa apar gi ariyo. Now the problem with time is that our time is upside down. Like 6 o'clock should be auchiel, right?
Mhm.
But we say 12. So
Okay.
we shall have to do time with you one day. Say that.
Achiels
Not
gasa.
achiel. Achiew.
Achil gasa apagyario.
Yes, achiew ga sa apar gi ariyo. Then we eat dinner at night. Wachamo ga chiemb otieno. Otieno. No. Wachamo ga chiemb otieno. Say that.
Wachamo ga chiembo tieno.
Good. So, and that is it for the day.
Mhm.
And guys, if you want to, you can always pause the video. You can always go back and watch. We have now started a series, and I think we're on, this is the ninth video. And we shall try as much as we can to push in as many content as we can. So I want to let Tony finish up the. Can you
Mhm.
finish up, Tony?
Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. We will try, like he said, we'll try to push out some more. Oriti, goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody, and see you tomorrow. And where is stop streaming now? Stop streaming. All
Okay,
right.
so wait, I want to ask you something